We're in Microsoft Excel. Let's take a look at why we would want to insert a comment and how to do that in an Excel workbook. So let's say, for instance, that Avery had a terrible month in sales in January, and we want to put in maybe a link as to why it is that salesperson had an issue. So we can insert a comment. So I can highlight the cell that I want to insert the comment, and I can right-click and choose to insert comment. Now, once I put the comment in, we see that whoever it is that's opened up the document, their name will pop up. And so that way you know who's making a comment. And I'll say this was Avery's first month. So that way nobody will say, oh, gee, why did Avery have such a terrible month in January, and hold him accountable for that. So if we want to go back and see that comment, then we can just go back to that cell. And when I click on the cell, look at that. When you move the cursor right near that little triangle in the upper right hand corner, it shows that information. Now you can put a lot of other information in there as well. So let's just insert, and we'll put in insert comment. There we go. And for instance, we can type in that John was on vacation for 2 weeks. And once again, we'll just hover over and we can see that little note pop up. Now we can also delete comments as well. It's fairly easy to do. So just highlight the cell that you want and right click and choose delete comment, and now that comment is gone. So that's how you use comments in Microsoft Excel.